Hello, everyone. It's this week's crypto episode. I'm Jem,
I'm Cons.
and we are two bros interested in finance. Different background because I'm not in Budapest. I'm in London for many weeks to come, and I love it here. Beautiful city, beautiful atmosphere, beautiful people. If you run into good ones, of course. Anyways, let's talk about crypto, and let's just start with the prices that we have. So, CMC 20 index in the last 7 days minus 3.14%, Bitcoin minus 345, Ethereum minus 415, sorry, Bitcoin trading around $66,500, Ethereum trading around $2,000, BNB minus 3.45%, trading around $610, Ripple nearly minus 5%, trading around $1.30. Solana nearly it's down 6.5%, trading around $81, $82. So prices are bad, and I think we are already in the bear market. I think, like, I've already said this like a couple of weeks ago, when we did our video after the bull market. It was sad that we didn't see the 160, 180s. We only saw 120, which Cons was right about. I was a bit too optimistic, which is usually the other way around. Most of the time, you are the optimistic one, and I am the pessimistic one with the markets. But we are in the bear market. I don't think there is more discussions to be held about this. I think we should just get used to it. But compared to the stocks market, we will talk about it in the stocks episode as well, I'm sure. Crypto is having a better position compared to the stocks market. It's not like as depressing it is. I remember Bitcoin hitting 72,000 this week, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, no market, including crypto market, is just not looking good. It's mainly because of the geopolitical risks, especially with the US, Israel, and Iran war. Wars are just like messing the market up, which is understandable. But at the same time, the weird thing that I find is normally in geopolitical risks, we would see gold rushing to the top, but gold is not doing that, which is quite weird. And I understand why, because it had its run. Um, and right now people are just like consolidating a bit. They're just like getting their return of investment, which I understand. But if gold is not increasing, what should we put our money into to get some return? I think, to be fair, right now interest seems like the best option, which is very sad. But yeah. So these are all the things that I'm going to say. What's your take?
Yeah, tough. I mean, I don't really have anything really else to add for the crypto market, man. It's been slow the past months, and yeah, like you say, it isn't as painful as the stock market these days or the past weeks. And yeah, I think just talking about crypto a little bit, I want to give my idea a little bit. I think with Bitcoin, I think we're gonna have a little cheeky increase. I think as well as I'm going to talk about this in the stock video, I'm quite optimistic with the stock market. And I can see a cheeky increase in Bitcoin price as well, maybe towards 90 or 100K even. But I completely agree with you that I think we are in the bear scenario. So for me, this would be just like, like cheeky spike up, giving hope back to the investors, and then we'll see new lows for crypto. But yeah, otherwise, I mean, that's just my general idea for the midterm, I guess. And when we see that drop, I'm hoping definitely to invest in crypto. That's the game plan,
Yeah.
right?
I mean, you
Um,
missed the last run.
yeah,
Hopefully, I'll always tell you. I'll tell you when to buy, but I don't think it's time to buy yet. I think it's gonna go lower. It's just like right now, it's just stagnating in 66. Right now, it's stable there. Um, yeah,
yeah,
good 40s, 45s would be like chef's kiss. For me to go into it again. But yeah, let's see, man. Let's see.
yeah. I
I don't
think
know
the
what
low
else
for
to say. To be fair.
Yeah, the low 40s are also kind of my entrance point. I've been watching a little bit the analysts, who I follow personally, and just some info, and I think they all agree that and that's why I also agree with you regarding the bear market. They all see this kind of bear market still, right? But they also have this potential to 90 to 100K, still try to give a little push to the top. Let's see if it happens, but yeah, I think we're still a good solid 6 months away from this, and until it like truly unfolds. But yeah, regards your gold and silver, what you mentioned is quite tough in the last month. I think gold is down 15%. Silver is down 22%. And like you said, like it's a time of crisis, right? And yeah, gold is really not doing well. I don't know. Like it's kind of perplexed to me. But of course, what's doing well is the other commodities like crude oil or gas. Especially oil is up 40% last month, right? And it's very volatile. Of course, I think we talked about this last episode as well. Um, but yeah, I don't know what what to really say, what else to say, man. I've been watching a little bit copper to invest for the future potentially. I think copper is very interesting. Is also one of the best performing commodities out there, and I only see the copper usage increased in the future. So yeah, I've been really looking at copper for the past couple of weeks, but otherwise I don't have much to add regarding commodities or Bitcoin or crypto, bro. Yeah, tough times, tough times. So it's really
That's
hard to
that's
make.
that's
It,
yeah.
it's really hard to find a reasoning behind these market moves. I mean, of course, oil is self-explanatory, right? But
Yeah, yeah,
regarding
yeah.
regarding gold and silver, it's actually a little bit, I don't know, confusing, I guess.
I mean, oil is understandable. Other commodities, they don't make sense, but nothing makes sense in this market. So I'm just like used to it at this point, to be fair.
Regarding commodities, you have any interest in investing in any of them, or
Corn,
sorry, what? Corn?
corn. Yeah, yeah. It
Corn is
feels
the
like it feels like no. I'm joking. I'm joking. But like at this point, like the market is like so weird and like so annoying that like corn will always eat it. It's always gonna grow. It's like it's an endless market. It might be the smartest one, to be fair.
yeah, yeah. And corn is always
At
needed,
this
right?
point. But like the moment I invest in it, there will be like a tsunami or something that is going to destroy the field. So
Major crop fields. Yeah, but then price
so
should
you know what I
increase,
mean?
no?
Huh?
Then price should increase because demand is the same, but
Yeah.
production is slow.
Yeah, no, the moment that happens, that would decrease, like just because I invested in it, easy as
Yeah,
that.
also of course, yeah, naturally. Yeah.
So yeah, that's about it.
I got nothing else to add, man.
Neither do I. Let's just end it. Thank you guys for watching. Your grandma, your grandpa, you guys already know the drill. Catch you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.
Till next episode. Ciao, ciao.